Hey guys, and welcome back to Gamer Girl. For today's video is super duper fun because I have to be a little quiet because my mom's sleeping right now. But I just went to the mall with my dad after school and we went round trying to find some cool slimes to show you guys. And I found 3 from Tiger. They're not really slimes, but they're really fun. I got 3 of them. 2 of them are already opened because I couldn't wait. One of them is still in the wrapper because I could wait. So I'll show you the first one. So I got 2 crunchies and 1 normal. So the first one is called, this one is called a light clay. But to be honest, it's not a clay, it's a slime. It's like it's a butter slime. So this one's pink, this one's super soft. This one's super nice. Has great pokes, to be honest. This slime is my best one right now. It is the best one. And I did something super stupid. So basically, I got a crunchy slime. It has loads of foam beads in. And some of them fell out. So what I did is I got this slime after I wasn't able to clean it. So I said I'll clean it after. I got the slime and I played with it. And all the foam beads went into this one. So now this one's like really not sharp. But it has the foam beads in it. It doesn't feel really nice. So yeah, that's really annoying. Anyways, apart from that, it's super pretty, super soft. And let me show you the butter effect. I need something. I don't have a knife with me. Silly me, I've got to get a knife, so I'll just get one of these pencils. Let's use a pencil. Do it this way so you guys can see. Super buttery. And if I put it down, oh gosh, stuck to the pencil. Stuck to the pencil. Ah, there we go. So I can just collect it. There. Super fun, pretty. Doesn't have enough bubble pops though. This isn't really a crunchy slime, it's more like a clay, it's more like a butter slime. So yeah, this is basically a butter slime. It's really light, and butter slime is really light. But other than that, it's really cute, really nice. So let's pop it back in here. Super fun to play with. So now we're gonna move on. So I only got 1 of these light clays, which I regret doing. But anyways, the one that I did open, and then the last one I didn't open, which is this Pearl Clay, it's just orange. This is really dense. Oh my god, I don't have any muscles like this. Oh, perfect that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's poke this one. So nice. Super crunchy. Don't know if you can hear it, but it's kind of like ASMR. See if you guys can hear it. ASMR, guys. Comment down below if you like ASMR with slime. Put in the comments down below #ASMR if you want more ASMR videos with slime, or more slime hauls or anything like that. Oh my gosh. Super. It's kind of clear. See if you can see through this. Not really. It has a really great ASMR though. It has really good bubble pops. Oh, so this one's super crunchy. It's really hard. Oh my god. That's so tiring. I don't love this one, but it's stretchier than that one, I think. And a lot better bubble pops because there's foam beads in here. And to be honest, there's too many foam beads. So yeah, I don't really like this many foam beads. See if you can see through it. Comment down below if you can see through it. So, anyways, Oh, let's get on with one that I haven't opened, which I'm super excited. It's going to be exactly the same, which I hope not, but it's a different colour. So, comment down below what colour you think it will be, and it kind of goes with this theme. So you have 5 seconds to comment down below. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment down below hashtag commented if you commented what colour this was. And now I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds to subscribe and like to my channel. And if you did, comment down below. And yeah, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's great, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. So this is what it is. It's a yellow one. Super bright, super summer vibes. So this one I haven't opened. I see the plastic on there. So let's open this. Oh, that's hot. Open it from there. Oh, there we go. Oh. Do you guys ever have like this type of plastic which sticks to you? And it's really annoying. This is what they used, and it's really bugging me right now. Does not want to come off. Ah! Oh my gosh. No. Oh. Slime fails. Slime fails with opening it. Oh, it sticks to me, and it's so annoying. So, that really annoys me. I'm so sorry, guys. I should have organised this. So this is completely stuck to me now, so I can't take it off. But let's just open up the slime. But normally when you open it, there's just full-on slime at the bottom. And all the foam beads at the top, so... Look at that. Ugh, this is so annoying. Look how cool that looks. It looks super cool. So, you guys ready to see what it feels like? You can't, I wish you guys could feel it, but you can go to Tiger right now and get it, because it's out. So. Oh my god. This one's super soft. Oh my god, that's a scam. There was just slime hanging on the top, and at the bottom there was just air. That is completely a scam because it's just a whole place without any slime. So let's open this at the bottom, and as you can see there's slime there. So see how much I can take off without the foam beads, because I want to see what the actual slime feels like. So I want them to sell this. Just the natural slime itself. Okay, so far this is a... Oh my god, that's super clear. That is super clear. It's a bit sticky though. Good bubble pops. So you can get any more off. If you want, you can, if you don't want to watch me peel this off, just skip it. Skip it, and then when it's finished, it'll probably be about 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay. This is really annoying. I can't get all of it off because it's stuck to the foam beads. I don't want foam beads. I just want natural slime. Anyways, let's get on with this. So I have just took most of it off as I could. Most of it I couldn't get off because it was stuck to the foam beads, and that's really annoying. So this is what I got. This is like how much it is in just full-on slime. The slime is super thick. Oh god, it has great pops. I want to just keep this part. This is overactivated slime, so it does rip. So that's a problem. But other than that, it's super soft. And so yeah, let's just put that let's move on to the actual one. So, I think this is softer than it. Okay. I think this one's a lot rippier and less stretchier. It's kind of like a cloud slime if it drizzles. It drizzles. It's kind of like a cloud slime. So yeah, that's great bubble pops like all of them do. I think this one's better than the orange, and plus it's a more brighter, happier colour. Yellow is always a bright, happy colour. So, and by the way, all of these were £1, so they were super cheap. So hard with one hand. Okay, so this one's super soft. I absolutely love this one. So, anyways, let's put this one back. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel and get notes. And I'll seriously bad ending. See you guys in a second. Okay, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And click on that notification bell down below so you get notified every time I post a brand new amazing video for you guys. And comment down below which slime was your fave out of the 4, because I had an extra. So this yellow one, this small real slime, this orange pearl one, or this one. That one's my fave. So comment down below your fave, and so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!